Dadgummit. Well, dang. I had something to say. Senior moment. Gosh almighty. What was I going to say? I should have wrote it down. Dadgummit. You ignorant old. Jesus Christ. Oh, Lord. Alright. Huh. I got another microwave to do. Oh Lord. Gosh. There. Now. I gotta sit down a minute. Let's see. You know what? I got 2 or 3 things going on here. And let's see. Dadgummit. That's plus. There's one of them magnatrons I'm gonna take apart for the copper. But that's another video. Another video. Now, plugs go in there. Magnets don't even belong out here. I gotta sit down a minute. I got to sit down a minute. Oh, my aching back. Oh, crap. What do you want, dogs? Huh? What do you want? I ain't got no time for y'all. Y'all messed up my room last night. Spilt my pills and everything. Yeah, you did. And I saw signs of you sleeping on my bed. You're not allowed to get on my bed unless I'm in there. You little snot. Papa loves you though. Yes, I do. I love my baby girl. I love both my baby girls. I've been trying to give that one a haircut, but it's more to it than I thought there was. Woo! Alright, I'm not getting nothing done like this. Alright. Dang. I hate. Oh Lord. You know, just to give you an idea of how weak I am in my arms, this thing right here, I can't lift my arm up and hold it to grab that. Just, I can do it that. Well, I didn't that time, but I have to do it like that. Whew. I wonder if there's some way I could build my strength up. I'll tell you what, guys, this not being able to do stuff is tearing me up. I mean, mentally, you think about it all the time. It never goes away. You can't take any pills and it gets better. And just depresses me no end, but I can't let it get me down. I can't. I gotta keep going, you know. I got at least till my 10-year-old gets up around 20. If I can make it that far, which that'd be 10 more years. If I can make it that far, that don't go in there. I would be a happy man. I could die with a smile on my face. Because right now, I don't think my baby could deal with me dying. Oh, I gotta put my glasses on. But, you know, the fact that a while back he cried for about a week about worrying about me dying. And he even said, and this brought tears to my eyes, that, Poppy, if you do die, would you at least drop me some notes from heaven? He's assuming I'm going to heaven. Drop me some notes from heaven and let me know that you're okay. And that boy, that week, I started to worry about it because he was just dwelling on it so much. And even this morning, he was talking about something, and he said, "How old are you again?" And I said, 78. I said, and I'll be 80 in 2 years if I live that long. Well, I shouldn't have said that in there in front of him like that. And he said, "You mean I'm only gonna get to see you for 2 more years?" And he started choking up on that. So he worries about it. You know, most grandparents and children, they love each other, but they're not really super close because your grandkids don't live with you. Well, I only got 3 and they're right here with me. And so we're extremely close. Extremely close. And matter of fact, he still sleeps with his mama, and she works overnights, and the nights that she's working overnight, I got to go in there and crawl into bed with him. So we're close, you know. And I just don't know. I don't know how hard it would be for him to handle me croaking. Wouldn't be hard on me for sure, but with him, you know, it's just, I worry about how he would handle it. Love that baby so much. And I figure if I can make it till he's about 20, he'd be better equipped to handle it. I figure. I don't know, maybe it'd even be worse than it. Just daggone, where's the water in that one? Oh, there's an oscillator. What's that doing in there? I'm gonna go through the rest of this later. And by the way, if you're wondering, all of these IC chips and oscillator, all that stuff come off of TVs and stuff that I've took apart. And I just hadn't never went there and separate. I mean, I got a bunch separated, but I've got a bunch that ain't been separated. But right now I want to tear a microwave apart, and the reason being, I got something I want to share with my subscribers or fans or whatever you want to call them. That goes right there about microwaves and magnatrons. I can tell you which ones are safe to do and which ones are not safe to do. Or, by the way, these trays right here, I picked them up curbside. Yes, I did. Not a penny in them. And boy, they are handy. Are they handy? Okay. Now, whew. Let's see. I understand this microwave has blown, or they said it was smoke coming out of it. So, is that star bits or is that, there's security bits, but I don't know. I'll have to get them all out here and see. Let's see, what have we got here? Same thing there, security. Security and not security. Walmart. Let's see when the date was on this. Manufactured June 2017. Holy cow, that thing's just June of 17, June of 18's a year. It's not even 2 years old and it's burnt up. All right. Let me tell you something about microwaves and the magnatrons. What did I do with that magnetron? Well, I done. The magnatrons in microwaves, you hear all this stuff about them having beryllium on that microtron. And if you crack it and stuff, the dust, you breathe the dust, it could give you cancer. Well, that's true. But in 2008, that's why a lot of scrap yards, they'll take a microwave if the manufacturing date is later than 2008. Like this was 2017. And so that means this was perfectly safe to do because they're not using that beryllium in there anymore. So you can take that in mind. You can look on the back of them right there and it'll tell you manufactured June 2017. So that means it's not got beryllium in it, and it's perfectly safe to take apart. And I will scrap that magnetron. But that's the facts about it, folks. 2008 and below, it's got beryllium, and you go at your own risk. 2008 and later, you know what, I can't say for sure that's it, but that is what a manufacturer told me. We had to change that in 2007, 2008. I was told that by a manufacturer. But I wonder if this was made in China. Yeah, it's made in China. I swear, is everything made in China now? Everything? Do we not know how to make anything over here anymore? Gosh, whatever happens, what would happen if we ever, I don't know, that just disturbs me. I mean, I'm glad in a way, because I get tools and stuff a whole lot cheaper that's coming out of China. But you know what? A lot of other tools, high brand tools, are coming out of China. And so you can't say it's junk, because I've never wore anything out from Harbor Freight as far as my tools. Now, I've wore out the battery powered drills, but I used them to high heaven. I wore them out, and anything's going to wear out. But where they pay $100 plus for a little battery powered drill, I pay $20 for the drill and a battery. And I got extra drills now, because I didn't, if you just go to buy an extra battery, they want $14 and some cents. And you can buy the whole new drill with a battery for $19. So I buy the drill, I don't buy just a single battery. So I've got extra drills all the time, and I do wear them out, but I'm hard on them. But how did I get off on that? I was talking about beryllium, wasn't I? But anyway, you know, right there it is, manufactured June 2017. That means it's 9 years over 2008. So you don't believe me, well, you don't have to believe me. I always say, when somebody tells you something, don't just take it at their word. Do your research. Do your research. Don't take nothing at face value. And that's true with everything. That's true with politics or any kind of news anymore. You can't believe none. And see, these people that's journalists, they know how to phrase something to mislead you into thinking one way, when if they told you the exact thing way they're supposed to, you might not believe it, and you might. But anyway, I ain't getting on that. I got on a rant yesterday. Here I am on another rant. I got to get my tools gathered up. All right. Whew. That's the first thing. Cord. Wire box. Goes in there. One of these days I'm gonna try to figure out how to get that brass and shit out of those I said shit, I'm sorry, stuff. I'm really trying to swear off the cussing, because I got some young folks that watches my channel, and I shouldn't be saying that. Oh yeah, that'll work. I think. Come here, screw gun. Oop, wrong way. Wrong way. Now I got it. Now. See if that'll. Yeah, these little, a lot of this stuff has them security bits. It's a little star nut, but the fact is it's got a thing in there that you can't put a regular star bit in there. It has to be a, come on baby. Has to be a special bit that'll do that. And if you're gonna be a micro scrapper, you better dang well have some security bits and little tools like I do. I don't have everything on that. Trouble with me, and this has happened many times before, wait a minute, is that? No, that's let's see, is this a star bit? I think it is. Yeah, star bit. Put that over there. Now, my eyes is really shot. Is that gonna go in there? My foot, no. It's gonna take a skinny one. Don't tell me I ain't got one. Well, kiss my butt. Okay, hold on a minute. I'm running two cameras. I'm trying to do my videos a little different. But I'm telling you folks, it's very hard. It's very hard to do this. I know I see some videos that all of a sudden you see your guy coming down the road in his vehicle. Well, he's had to go down the road, set that camera up, and turn it on, and then drive back down the road and start driving up the road, and it's like a darn movie. And the fact is, he set that up. I don't like doing that, but I'm trying it to see how it works. But it's double work, really, unless you've got two people, you know, somebody else with you, which I don't. These screws I'm taking out here is holding the power. I think it's the power supply. Of course, they're all different. It may be and it may not be. Let me see if I can bust this. Well, that's nasty in there. Here's another platter. I don't throw these platters away either. They're worth money. I used to have a good customer on them things, but one of my YouTube buddies, he's still my buddy, but he stole my customer. He lowballed me on the stuff. All right. That, my friends, is thread. Okay. The only shred I'll be doing is very small stuff that I can put in buckets. And but folks, trust me, this microwave, made in 2017, is totally safe to micro scrap. If you want to, call a manufacturer. Of course, the manufacturer probably be in China. I'll bet this yeah, it did come from China. All right, I gotta sit down again. Where's my chair, my walker? I'll tell you what, guys. If you're young people, and by young I mean under 60, go for it, man. Yep, transformer burn up. See that thing? Can you see that thing right there? It melted. That thing, that's what was burning on that. That's all that. So hopefully that transformer has some now these you know, there is right good smart of now see, that's the kind of small shred I'm talking about. And this, you could even make this smaller, you know, bend it down like that and it's flat. And that's shred. And you put that in 5 gallon, you'd be surprised what 5-gallon buckets of that shred would weigh over time, you know, if you wanted to do that. Now, I wonder if I can get in there with, no I can't. I gotta go get my tool that I had in my hand, and I knew I should have brought it out here. Oh crap. Oh look, of course I'm gonna have to put it back. I lost a whole bunch of batteries the other day. I don't know what happened, but I had 3 batteries go bad on me. Pretty dang, you know, that's the bit I was looking for, and it's right there in my face. All right, just ripped off my fingernail there a little bit. I need my glasses, dadgone it. Whew. Okay. That's one. What the heck? I guess I need a bigger. I need that bit I got right there. And I may not be able to reach that sucker. There we go. And folks, in case you don't know, this is the magnetron. And I've done it before, but I'm gonna take this one apart piece by piece and show you what's in there. And to start with, there's 2. If you can see this, there's a magnet right there, and there's a magnet right there. Nice magnets. These fins are aluminum, very easy to get off. The part that was supposedly dangerous is right here. That used to be beryllium. Well, now it's not. It's just some kind of ceramic thing. It has no danger to it. But that's the magnetron. Don't be afraid. Of course, I got time to do all this stuff. Some other people don't have time to. What the hell was that? Oh, my phone. Does that say Ocala? Yeah, it does. Hello? Hello? I hate these phones. I don't even see. I don't know. Sometimes I can answer it. Sometimes it gets messed up. And gonna come on there, wire. There, that's it, wire. Nice wire, supposedly. And since this there's bugs in there too. Ain't no dang wonder this thing. Did they ever clean it? What the hell is... Oh, it's that. I'm gonna have to turn it down. I'm getting grease all over me. Is that security bits? I don't think so. I heard it drop. And there that little booger is. Now, is it copper or is it aluminum? All right. That bottom part is aluminum. Hard to tell right offhand. That bottom part's aluminum, I know. I'm thinking this on the top's probably copper, but I won't know for sure till I scratch into it. It looks like copper. Of course, this other did too. All right, come here. Let's see if I can scrape it enough to tell. Yeah, that's copper. Ah, all right, that's copper. Whoo-wee. Now, there's a little grain board I want in here. It's got a little transformer on it. And I may want to get that, there's a little motor in there that turns the turntable in these things. And I'm thinking I want to get that. Let's see if that'll, that dang. How am I gonna get in there? Right at the minute, yeah, this thing's full of bugs. Well, you know, I'm turning it by hand almost, yeah. But there's another one on there that might not be so easy. Oh. No, that one ain't gonna do it. Let me. Dang. That sucker's in there. Why is that? I'm gonna have to spray some WD in that. It's been a while since I had that one open, so I'll get this one. I've got batteries charging right now. What the heck? Dang. Never had that be that hard before. Yeah, that'll do it. If I can just get to it. If I can just get to it. Got to it. All right, that should be popping out of there. There it is. Another little grain board. Transformer. Transformer is about, well, there's some little chips. I could take them. Rest of that would be 10 cents a pound for e-waste. This is about all I am going to get that I'm going to get that motor, which is, how is that passing? Have they got that sucker spot welded on there? Caution, remove sharp edges after remove. But dang, how is that put on there? I'm gonna have to get a chisel and my hammer. Gotta take my glasses off. They're only good close up. Dang, I got a pair that's good for distance, but hard. Matter of fact, I don't even know where they're at. Okay, chisels. Where's my chisels? Daggone it. Oh, That's another case of me looking dead at them and not seeing them. I know where my hammer is. It's right where I throwed it yesterday. I got to get in here and clean it up, folks. That's all there is to it. I keep saying that. I keep saying it, but it don't seem like I ever get it done. And I'm not busy like with other stuff. Of course, I spend a lot of time on the computer. Well, actually, I spend it's on YouTube. What the heck? I never seen it like this before. Never saw it like that before. Nope, never have. Now, I got it. Well, do one more. And there's the little motor. There's a little ring for that. Sometimes people want to know if you have one of them to go with the platter. All right. See that? Another motor. This here, boy, this thing is nasty. That shred. Now, folks, that concludes my microwave. The main thing on this microwave is 2008 and up, no beryllium in it. They're safe to do. 2008 and below, they got beryllium. Proceed at your own risk. Oh, because there's a lot of scrap yards will not take them unless you show them the manufacturer date on it, and it's after 2008 they'll take it. But if it's before 2008, they won't take it. Okay, I don't know what that is. Anyway, I'm tired. I wish I'm broke till the end of the month. I'm messed around there and spent a bunch of money around about the first of the month. And I'm broke. I'm broke. And this coming from a man that used to have to had about a $10,000 payroll I had to meet each week. And back then most of my people was making like $350 to $400 a week. That was the seamstress and the seat pullers and the upholsterers and stuff like that. But that was in the 80s. That was from 88. No, wait a minute. That was from 84 to about 1990. And I decided I could retire. Boy, wasn't that a joke. Oh my God. Of course, I got screwed out of a bunch of money. That's another dang story. That's another story. Anyway, Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye, sayonara. What's hasta la vista mean? Is that Spanish for something? It is, isn't it? It's I don't know. I want to learn. I'm fixing to start taking language classes again. Well, not classes. I'm gonna do it on that Bible. But I hadn't made up my mind. Germany, I'm in love with Germany, and I love Germany, and I've still got friends over there, and I got friends over here. I even got a daughter that's a German. She was born in Germany, but I didn't know about it till about 5 or 6 years ago. I had no idea that girl was pregnant, and I thought a lot of her. She's dead now. God. And the one that my daughter that's here, she's in Tennessee. Well, no, Kansas. I'm not sure now, but I've never met her. I can message her back and forth, but I've never there's one bug. You dead sucker, I guess. But I didn't know about her till she was, I didn't know about her till she was about 45 or 50. Let's see. 28292 2002. She was between 40 and 50. Yeah. I kind of would like to meet her, but I don't, you know, I don't push it. She don't push it, I don't push it. Okay. Over and out. The end. GoPro, stop recording.